Hi everyone, welcome to the second video on command prompt series. So today we are going to start with our very first topic on CMD where we are going to discuss all basics related to CMD. But before that, if anyone has missed our very first video where I have introduced the topic of discussion for upcoming videos, I have provided a link in the description. You just go through. It's a very short video, but you will get a holistic roadmap for upcoming videos. So let us back to the today's topic. So to understand the importance of CMD, we are going to answer two questions. One is what is the command prompt or CMD and why to use. And we are not going to discuss these things by bookish definition. Rather, we are going to use a practical example. And once you will get a practical significance, you will get realize that how CMD is important and how it can make your life easier. So let us see first one definition, then after we are going to see one example. So for explaining what is command prompt, I have copied this definition from Wikipedia, but here you need not to be worried. Just remember CMD is a line interpreter and it takes text-based command to execute our task. Why and how we are going to see with example. Suppose you have a folder in your desktop and you want to see which files are present in that folder. You can do this by two ways. First, by using graphical user interface, that is by clicking on that folder and seeing what are the files are present. In second ways, you can use command prompt window. There you write some command and that will do that job. It will fetch out all the files present in that folder. See how it is going to work. Let us see a practical example. So this is a graphical user interface for window. Here I'm having a desktop folder under which we are going to check which folder are present. So suppose I want to check what files are present inside the CMD. So I'm just clicking. And in case I want to go back, simply whatever we are doing for going back, we are doing this way. So this is a one way to interact with OS. Another way is using CMD. See how. So before that, you have to open command prompt window. So there are two ways. One is just click on window icon and search CMD. You will get first option CMD prompt. Just hit enter. You will get this window. Now another way is which I personally feel like it is a very handy by using window plus R. You will get this window. Here you type just CMD and hit enter. It's already there for me. So this is a very handy and most of the time I'm using this command. So this is a default directory in my case. It can be different for you depending on your system and your default directory you might have set. So coming back to the example where we want to check the files present in desktop folder. So I know my files are present under OneDrive, then it is in desktop. So for that, I'm just changing my directory. You need not to be worry what I'm doing right now. You are going to get knowledge of all this command in upcoming videos. So just have patience. So see again write cd desktop. So now I came to my desktop folder. Now I want to check what files are present inside my folder. For that, I'm typing another command dir. So this is the guys. This is my CMD folder, and here I'm having one files that is cr.info. So I think you have got some idea that we can interact our system with two ways. One is graphical user interface, which I have shown you. Another is this way. Hope guys you have understand the one aspect of using command prompt. Another aspect is lies on its speed. So believe me guys, when you are working in any practical project and you are using any IDE like VS Code, there you have a terminal and you want to check any files are there or not. And in case you are going back to your GUI, there you are checking whether it is present or not. It's become very lengthy process and it's irritating also. But in case you know the command prompt basics knowledge you are having, you can access those files in that terminal itself. So it become very handy and that time you will going to realize its practical significance. So in upcoming videos, we are going to check all the important command one by one as we have already segregated command based on certain groups. So we are going to check all this in a holistic manner. Thank you so much for seeing this video till the end.